Hey, all, Doug with D&E in the Garage. Today I want to show you the quickest, easiest, cheapest way to flush your power steering fluid. Alright, all you're going to need is obviously some power steering fluid that's correct for your vehicle, and also you're going to need a transfer pump. This one was $10 at Walmart. I found a pretty good looking one for about $13 on Amazon. The reason I'm making this video, let me give you a little background. My sister lives out in Montana. She's got a Jeep Patriot out there. She takes it in to get service the other day and they say, oh, your power steering fluid's a little dark. We can swap it for you. And she says, oh sure, well how much is that going to cost? I said $95. So she called me up, she says, is that a good deal? And I said, hell no, it's not a good deal. I mean, I'm sure for the process that they're going to give you it is, but you can do it at home. There's no reason that you cannot buy yourself a little transfer pump, buy yourself some power steering fluid, and take care of that yourself. So this video is actually an instructional video for her, but maybe you guys can benefit too. So first thing you're going to do, locate your power steering reservoir. It's usually going to have a steering wheel on it, or it'll say power steering fluid. If in doubt, check the internet. Someone will tell you. Go ahead and check what your fluid looks like. It should be almost clear. You can see mine is pretty brown, or I think you can see it is. I actually do this often to keep mine in relatively good shape, but symptoms of some bad power steering fluid will be grinding, a groaning, moaning sound when steering, especially at low speed, and it can cause damage to your power steering pump. Then obviously you have a bigger problem. So what you're going to do, you've located your power steering reservoir. You've located your transfer pump. The other thing you're going to need is some kind of receptacle. I'm just using an old oil jug here to catch the power steering fluid. What you're essentially doing, rather than flushing the whole system, you're going to take a little bit out at a time. So find your power steering reservoir. Okay. You're going to put your transfer pump down into the reservoir there, and you're going to put the receiving end into your jug. All you're going to do is go ahead and pump out that fluid. Now can you see all that fluid moving out? You're going to keep going until it doesn't pump anymore. You can hear it. Alright, and now what you've done is drained your reservoir. Now no, this does not drain your whole system, but it does remove everything from your reservoir. Now once you have all of the fluid in the reservoir pumped out, you're going to want to fill your reservoir, obviously back up. Do it a little bit at a time. Let's see where that brings us to. You check it with this dipstick here. Some cars have a clear reservoir and there's just a line. On this one there's graduations, you can see. So we'll put it in. See where it is. Not quite there yet. Alrighty, once you got your fluid up to the right level, what you're going to want to do is turn the vehicle on. Turn your steering wheel from one side to the other, lock to lock a couple times. That will have circulated all this fluid. Then you're going to go back to the start. Rinse, lather, repeat. Pump all of this out again, put new in, bring it up to the level, circulate it, and check it again. If it still looks a little dark, like this, instead of nice pale yellow, like this, do it again. Do it a third time, do it a fourth time. And you're going to keep doing it until you get your fluid to a condition that looks healthy, and you will have avoided spending the $95 on a full flush. I think a bottle like this is maybe $7. You're going to spend $10 on the pump, so even if you have to buy 2 bottles of this, you're still way ahead of the game. You're at about $25. I'll take that any day. It's a quick, easy fix, much cheaper. I like to do it every other oil change, and then I always know that my power steering system has somewhat fresh, clean fluid, and my lines and my pump and everything are going to last a heck of a lot longer. So that's all there is to it. If you got any questions at all, leave me a comment down there in the squawk boxes. By all means, if you found the video amusing, educational, maybe even a little entertaining, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more quick tips like this. As always, thanks for watching. I will see you next time.